In a pond, far away from the crowd, lived a tiny water strider named Splash. With legs designed to walk on water, he was proud. Never a droplet would he ever catch. One day, on a cloudy, windy day, Splash found a leaf, slipping his way. It floated past him, and he had to say, "That leaf looks mighty fine, I'll chase it, come what may." The wind picked up, the pond grew rough. Splash's heart began to shudder. But he held his ground, he didn't scoff. For Splash was brave, and he could outwit trouble. He leapt, he jumped, he dodged the waves. Yet the wind grew stronger, and the leaf he chased. Splash struggled hard, his legs to save. But the leaf drifted farther, and he nearly drowned. In the end, Splash reached the shore. Exhausted, he lay down. The leaf was gone, but he'd fought for more. He learned the lesson that day, on that windy morn. Sometimes, in life, we chase what's not ours. Materials or dreams, or even a leaf. But let's remember, it's not just about the purse. True victory comes from the fight, not the wealth. So, when you see a goal that seems too far, don't lose hope, don't lose heart. For in the end, it's not about how far, but about the courage you showed and the fight you'd start.